It's important to always give your spreadsheets a name so that you can easily find them. To name your spreadsheet, just go up where it says Untitled, and then you can click and give it a name. If you want to organize where this file lives in your Google Drive, when I click inside the rename box, it tells me that this lives in my drive. I can click that and I can move it to a different place if I would like. I can also create a new folder for this spreadsheet if I choose to. All you do is find where you would like this to live. When you're happy with the place that you would like it to go, simply click Move Here. Now when I click back in Sheets Training, it tells me it's in my Google Certification Training folder. When you're ready to share your file with somebody else, you'll click the Share button in the upper right-hand corner. First, you can type in the names of the people you would like to share this with. Once you've done that, you click the Edit icon, and you can choose that the person or people you're sharing this with can edit it, meaning they can change anything in your document. They can comment, so they can go through and make suggestions, but they can't change anything. Or they can just view your document and not do anything else. You also have access to Advanced Settings in the bottom right-hand corner. When you click on Advanced, it'll give you a link that you could share with people who have access to your spreadsheet. If you want to change who has access, your first option is probably set on specific people can access. If you click Change to the right of that, you have 5 different options. First, Public on the web means anybody can find and access this document. Below that, On anyone with the link means anyone at all who has the link only can access this. So it wouldn't be searchable in Google, but anybody you give the link to could access this. If you're sharing something with parents, you want to make sure that you choose this option. Below that, you have On Dublin City Schools. This means anyone at Dublin City Schools could find and access your document. They would have to sign in, though, with their Dublin City Schools email address. Below that, anyone at Dublin City Schools with the link. That means only people in our district who have the link, so that you would have to provide them with the link and they would have to sign in with their Dublin Gmail account. Off means that you choose the specific people who have access to this, and those are the only people who can have access. Then you have your list of people who you've shared this with. If you would like to change any of these, you can click the pencil or the eyeball next to them and change. You can transfer ownership to somebody else, and then the other options are the same that we saw before. There is one additional option, Set Expiration. If I click Set Expiration, I can choose that this person can only have access for a certain amount of time. So I can choose that Jason would only have access until tomorrow at 11:59. You can't change the time. At any time, I can cancel that expiration. You can also access that by clicking the clock that's next to the edit icon and set the expiration for any person. Below your list of people who have access, you'll see owner settings. The first option, prevent editors from changing access and adding new people. If you select this, it means anybody who has editing access cannot give other people editing access. Only you or the owner can give other people editing access, and only you can add new people to the document. Below that, disable options to download, print, and copy for commenters and viewers. If you select this, anyone who looks at your document, they would not have any options to download, print, or make a copy of your work. So if you need to lock something down, choose this option so other people can't download it or make a copy for themselves. When you're happy with your settings, just click Save Changes. And then click Done. You can go back and change those settings at any time. Just click the Share button once again. You can go back to Advanced and edit that as you would like.